So today we're installing Lifeproof vinyl in a church. We're actually doing the pulpit and the steps leading up to it. We're going to be doing a glacier white on the riser, and then we're doing a stair nose, and then the Lifeproof flooring. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite vinyls, so I'm all excited to see how it comes out.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
So we're in the church now, so let's take a look at the project. It's an octagon shaped pulpit. We have a ramp here with a step up to the top level. As we go along the front of it, we have electrical outlets, both on the pulpit and on the face, the riser face. The outlets are hot, and we're going to cut around them and then put the plates back down. We have our ramp on this side as well, with a step up here as well. We're going to put the glacier white all along this riser as well, and to finish it off along the back, we're going to trim it out with some new baseboard, 5180 profile base along the whole back, and step it down for the steps. Today we're installing the Lifeproof Lighthouse Oak. It's 9 inches wide by 48 inches long. We're going to be installing a glacier white laminate on the risers and a stair nosing made by Lifeproof on the edges for the stair nose. But because it's a plywood subfloor, we're first going to go around and make sure that there's no nails sticking out. We're going to sweep it up real good. We're going to scrape up any of the old glue residue from the carpet. We want it to be nice and flat and smooth before we start installing the Lifeproof. Lifeproof comes with a pre-attached padding, so we're not putting any additional protection down, just the flooring, so we want to have a nice surface to work off of. The Lifeproof is quickly becoming one of my favorite vinyls to work with, so I think it's going to come out amazing. Make sure you tune in to see the finished product. So that's a little preview of our latest Lifeproof flooring job. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode where we get started with the installation. Please check out our other videos as well. We do how-to flooring installation, Lifeproof reviews, as well as many other vinyl flooring reviews, travel, and of course my favorite, my funny cat videos. Take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in.